YouTube? The Carboy is back here with another legendary video, man. Today we got a good video today for y'all because we got a lot of just random content I'm feeling in this video today. But before we get into that, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time we upload a new video. Because yeah, man, the Charger on the road now, and yeah, we got a little surprise. Finally got the title and tag and registration like that. So yeah, man, we own the road finally. But yeah, today we got some stuff to do to the Charger today to make it a little bit aesthetically, I don't even know how you want to say that, to make it look better aesthetically. So yeah, we gonna get to that today. But before we get into that, I gotta goddamn get the car washed and I gotta goddamn clean the interior of it because it have got a little bit dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that before. Oh, and actually, yeah, and I forgot to tell y'all something. The rear windshield had got busted, so don't ask me how, just know how. Nobody didn't try to break into it, nothing like that. Just know it just got busted. But yeah, I got a new one replaced on it and it's already tinted, so I'm gonna show you guys that too as well. So yeah, enough of me talking. I'm gonna flip this camera around, show you guys the car, how it needs to get washed, stuff like that. And yeah, man, we're gonna get to it. So let's go ahead and roll into today's video, man. Let's get it. So this how it's looking all dirty, man. You see all this dirt down here sitting at my grandma crib. God dang, all dirty now. I think I'm still gonna have to go ahead and get some spacers for this back because this back is sitting in a little bit, as you can tell, more than the front. Until I get my new wheels, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a spacer for that. But yeah, man, I gotta watch this thing. We got some mulberries on top and stuff like that. So yeah, just gotta go ahead and get this thing washed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it pulled in the backyard. God dang. Hook up the hose, stuff like that, hook up the vacuum. And yeah, man, we're gonna get this thing washed because it needs it badly. So let's go ahead and get it. All right, y'all, so I don't got the car in the backyard, as you can see. I'm about to go ahead and get set up for a quick wash real quick, man. So we about to go ahead and get this thing washed, get it all shined up, man. Look how it's sitting in the grass. I need to cut my grass, man, but you can tell my shit low. Look how it's sitting in the grass, man. But yeah, man, this thing about to hit the road today, as I told y'all, man. Yeah, we ready, bro? I'm telling you, straight like that, man. You about to get this thing on the road. Let me go ahead and get washing. Put them on in my room. So man, we don't finish getting the car all clean. As y'all can see, man, that thing glistening. Now that it's clean, I ain't seen this thing clean ever. But I ain't never seen this thing clean, man. So yeah, man, we don't got the thing all washed up, as y'all can see. God, dude, that bitch so nasty. Oh my God. Yeah, she clean. Yeah, she cleaned up. She cleaned up real good. And I was just telling y'all about that tinted back windshield already. That thing tinted, man. You can't see, bro. You ain't seeing nothing through there. Like, I don't know if it's because there ain't no light back there, man, but y'all ain't seeing nothing through that thing, man. But yeah, what I'm about to get to working on now is I'm about to try to go ahead and wire up the rest of these tail lights real quick. So yeah, let me go ahead and get on that, and we're gonna keep it pushing, man. So let's get it. All right, y'all, so right now we finna do a little POV. I forgot to do it while I was on the way over here to my grandma's house, so right now I'm finna go ahead and do it. So yeah, man, you go ahead and get this little POV situated real quick. And yeah. here for the POV. And yeah, man. So I catch back with y'all when I get finished. So we pulling out from the gas station, and somehow my steering don't started back working, man. So yeah, man. We on the way back. Look at this butter. What the hell y'all going on with my goddamn steering? Like, what the fuck? That shit is crazy. Bro, this nigga is moving. Bro! Stupid ass nigga, man. Put on the fucking turn signal. The hell? Bro, that was about the dumbest shit I ever seen. Alright, y'all, so I just really decided to give y'all a little bit more POV because I don't really be shooting content like this. I like POV type of content, so I just said, goddamn, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some POV. So right now I'm heading on to the gas station because I gotta go get me some cigars and shit like that. So right now I'm just heading over to the gas station crew. You feel me? Got it in sport mode. I had it in track, but that shit is real talk track. I don't really just like ride with that lady on the porch right there for sure. She was nodding her head over there. She like that shit, man. Man, they loving the SRT. I've been getting nah. Ever since I put this thing on the road, I kid you not, bro. I've been getting nice reactions. Look, kid point right there. Look at it. Look at it. I'm telling you, bro. This shit break necks, turn heads. It's all there, bro. Popping like a motherfucker. Like, shit crazy, bro. Right now we cruising 60 pounds of oil pressure. I really gotta get my steering fixed too, because that shit probably gonna come up. I mean, I gotta get my steering aligned. See how this shit cock this shit. No AC in there, I'm hot. Woo! Ah! That make me feel so good, bro. Word, I know you watching. Niggas waited outside the stove for me to pull off, nigga. Fuck, bro. I'm real with this shit, bro. This shit is a masterpiece. Straight. man. So that's gonna do it for today's video, man. If y'all would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video, because more exciting content like this is coming with this Scatpack, man. So yeah, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on my post notifications, man. Other than that, my J catch y'all in the next video. Peace.